Question number 1, find the sum of the series given below. So here you can see it is a geometric progression series which looks like this: a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube and so on. So this r is nothing but a common ratio and a is initial number. There it is asking the sum of the series. We know the sum of infinite series is a upon 1 minus r. So in the sequence this a is 1 and r we can get it here like this, ar upon r. So 1 by 4 divided by 1, so r is here 1 upon 4. So 1 minus 1 upon 4, it will give us 4 upon 3. So it's the sum of would be 4 raised to 3. Now question number 2, by giving him the last, so here this PIECE piece will come here of cake, you will ensure lasting peace in our house today. So B is our correct option. Now question number 3, a number is given 715, here blank is there, 423, in which 1000 places missing and number is completely divisible by 3. What is the minimum number at missing place? So the number divisibility by 3 will check as the sum of all digits of the given number should be divided by 3. So here if we sum all the digits, 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 will get 22, and if we add 2 in this 22, so we will get 24. The minimum number we will add 2 and we will get 24, which is divisible by 3. So here this 2 number is missing here, so here 2 will come and we will choose the correct option 2. Question number 4, even though there is a vast scope for its, so here it will come improvement, still tourism has remained a neglected area. So both the sentence contradicts with each other. So best suitable answer is A. Here is question number 5. A person wants to buy a car of cost 10 lakh after 5 years. If the rate of interest is 10% and interest is added compounded yearly, then the minimum amount he needs to invest to solve the purpose. So it's very simple question based on the compound interest. So we know the formula for this: the amount after time is equal to principal amount into 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. N is the number of years. So the amount after time is given, which is 10 lakh. We will put the value 10 lakh is equal to principal amount, which we have to find out, 1 plus rate is given 10 and n is here 5. So on solving this easily we can find the value of P. So P comes approximate 620 to 1. So which is near to this option 621. So B option would be a correct answer. Now question number 6. A place X has a great biodiversity which is rich of different species. It is also full of coral reefs and sand, but the great limitation has been the remoteness of the location. One company has made a good business plan of developing the area along with helicopter facility to nearest airport. This place can potentially become one of the great places for tourists, but the environmentalists have a feeling that this would lead to pollution and cause damage to the biodiversity, just like the fate of other beaches. Which of the following is the logical inference of above passage? So from the options we can see that the most suitable answer is B1, which is the correct explanation of the given passage. Reason will be crowded and polluted by tourism. So B is our correct one. Now question number 7. In metal alloy combinations A and B having gold and copper in the ratio of 2:3 and 3:7 respectively, the equal amount of the A and B melted and made new alloy C what is the ratio of the gold and copper in C? So here we can say the gold in A is 2 raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5, and similarly gold in B we can say 3 raised to 3 plus 7, that is 10. In the next sentence it is saying that equal amount of the A and B melted and made new alloy C. So in C this equal amount is melted, means in the ratio 1:1. So to observe the gold in C, simply we take average of A and B. So 2/5, 3/10 divided by 2. So on solving this, we will get 7 divided by 20. This is the gold in C. So find the ratio of the gold and copper. Similarly, we can write it as 7 plus 13. So gold and copper will give the ratio 7:13. Our B option is correct one. Anyhow, you can solve this problem. Question number 8. A person is standing and his height is 1.5 meters. At a distance of 3 meters, there is a lamp post. The light from lamp at the top of post causes shadow such that length of shadow is twice the height of a person. What is the height of the lamp pole? So here height of the person is given, which is 1.5 meter. From the person at the distance of 3 meter there is a lamp post, and due to lamp at the top of the post a shadow of this person forms and its length is given, which is 3 meter. So we can make this triangle here, and if we consider this angle is theta, so from simple trigonometric property we can write tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is nothing but 1.5 divided by 3, so it would be equal to 1/2. Same rule we can apply for this bigger triangle, in which we have to find the height of the lamp. Consider it is as L. So this same tan theta, which is equal to 1/2, is equal to L upon, so this distance is 3 plus 3 means it is 6. So from here this we can easily say it is 3 meters. So our B option is the correct one. So the area of a square is D. What is the area of the circle which has the diagonal of the square as its diameter? So here I will show you the diagram in which there is a square of area D. So easily we can say the its sides, which is square root of D, and we know that diagonal is equal to square root of 2 into side, which is square root of 2D. It is given that diagonal of a square is equal to diameter of a circle, and we know that radius is half of diameter, so we can write it as the diameter is square root of 2D divided by 2. Easily we can get it as D by 2. It is asking the area of the circle. So area of circle is pi r square. On putting the value of r here, we can get our answer, which is pi d upon 2. So here fourth is the correct option. 4. What is the smallest natural number which when divided by 20 and by 42 and by 76, there is a reminder 7 is. So to solve such type of problems, one formula I would like to give you, you have to find the LCM of given numbers x, y, z. Here x, y, z is 20, 42 and 76 respectively. So here n is a number, integer number, and r is our remainder. We will call it a constant also. So LCM I have already calculated here. The LCM of 20, 42 and 76 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 19, which is equal to 7980. If we multiply this 7980 by a small integer number which is 1 and add a remainder which is given 7, so here this least number we will get 7987. So here C is our correct.